CVNA, stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Carvana stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. Looking at this is a very beautiful and solid bullish market. And how would this exactly look like for me is you can see like beforehand, I have all these links and just lines pointing towards the upside, which is just some previous proof. Me calling it out beforehand, right? This at the time was sitting at 133. I was aiming for 160. 10 months ago, 8th of September. Now that it only freaking delivers, beautiful. And then we went from there to like $300 now. This is the most recent prediction that I called out, by the way. Right. Here's the before. We're sitting at 297. I was aiming for 350 a month ago, and this delivered very nicely. The only thing that I'm looking to do is just double down on this long side. But how would I do so? Well, I have a big gap that we're forming, a demand zone. I'm not saying the price must come back into this demand zone, but even just a bit above it, if there is a shift, I'm still willing to take it further up if it makes sense, right? And if it doesn't give me that shift and a double break, then I'm simply not buying. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting here for rules to be mapped. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.